Hey guys, what's up? This is Adity here. So today's video is very different from the other videos that I usually make because it's gonna be all about the new GoPro action camera Hero 5 unboxing and a hands-on review with sample footages for you to decide if it's worth the buy or not. So before we head in, if you're somebody watching me new, I'd be really glad if you could hit the subscribe button. There is gonna be a lot of online shopping, budget-friendly hauls, street-style shopping, how to style videos, beauty-related, and lots of travel vlogs coming away. So consider subscribing. So I got my camera mainly for the vlogging purpose, especially for the travel vlogs that I want to make. One of the main reason that I picked up this camera is because of the video stabilization. So this is the shutter button, and you have a mode which is meant for changing from photo to video, a time lapse or burst. And the GoPro has 3 microphones. The front side shows resolution, the video mode, and how much storage the SD can take with the battery percentage. So you can check for yourself how great the footage was. It gives very good clarity for the objects that are very far, so it gets a great scenery and all that. For outdoor shooting, water sports, activities, and when you're not showing yourself, this camera is really an A. And the image stabilization works awesome, and the audio is also pretty decent. So my overall thoughts on GoPro is it's a really an awesome camera packed up with all the good features, but the downside of the camera, which I felt is very bad, is that it's a wide angle camera, so it captures the complete part around me. If I focus, the colors are not particularly great, so it might not be the best camera for vlogging yourself. The battery is, it's very minimum. It's not a great battery life, but it comes with an interchangeable battery, so you can spend extra bucks by getting additional batteries to change it on the go, which again it's a downside of it because you need to invest more on the camera, and it gets heated up pretty quick. Nothing major, but the front screen get heated up really bad, so which is a downside of it. One of the best part about the GoPro Hero 5 is the image stabilization. Even if you're not having a tripod or anything, it gives a fairly very decent footage, and the audio is also really great. You can use it as a waterproof camera without any additional housings. It's a perfect camera for capturing sceneries, your travel vlogs, and the best part is you can actually connect with your iPhone or Android to just use it as a capture app, and you can just turn the settings on with the camera. Feel free to leave your questions on the comments below. I'll definitely look into it. And this is the only video that I'm going to do about the unboxing part of it. So come back again on Tuesday and try to find me with a fashion or a travel video. So thank you so much for staying tuned. Bye.